Hi guys, kasama ko si Mark Rivera. Ayan, isang celebrity. Okay, ang mag-share ng knowledge sa kanya. Sa atin pala, ng effective way kung paano siya mag-trade. Okay, so tingnan natin kung anong strategy nitong celebrity napakagwapo na itong si Mark. Hi.
Hello guys! Hello sa lahat mga viewers ni Marvin. Thank you so much bro for having me. Ayun. Gusto ko din share kay brother Marvin the basic ng trading strategy na ginagamit ko sa everyday ko. Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen for all of you. Makikita nyo yung trading view ko.
Yun na, solid to, si Mark Rivera. By the way guys, malapit na lumabas yung music video namin. Takasaglit, no, Mark?
Yes. Aabangan nyo guys and share nyo sa mga social media nyo.
Yes.
Kasi nandun kami, nag-enjoy lang kami. Ayan. Very good. Okay. So, this is Ethereum. So, as I na-mention ko kay Marvin kanina, medyo nag-struggle ako sa crypto ngayon lately kasi hindi ko masyado mabasa yung trend line. So yung trend line yung direction ng market ng mga crypto like Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP. So dito nyo makikita medyo stable yung market niya. Hindi siya umaakyat o hindi siya bumababa. Compare dito. Dito makikita nyo very clear, pababa. Pero dito naman medyo stable siya. So hindi ako nagre-risk dito sa mga crypto lately. So abang inihintay ko yung magandang structure ng mga cryptos kasi Bitcoin din very similar, very pantay-pantay with XRP din, similar din sila. So now I'm focusing on gold, mga metals, and forex. Itong pinasukan ko this morning. So ito papakita ko sa inyo guys. Medyo colorful ngayon, medyo overwhelming, pero wag kayo nung umpisa medyo naguguluhan din ako. Pero papakita ko sa inyo step by step kung paano pumasok sa trade na to. Okay? So, delete ko mga ibang indicators para makita natin from the top kung paano ako pumasok sa trading na to.
Australian dollar and US dollar. Ayan.
Yes.
Anong tawag yung strategy na yan, brother?
Very base. Milano strategy. Since taga Milan, Italy ako, doon ako lumaki, doon ako pinanganak. So ito ang tawag ko, Milano strategy. Okay guys? So dito guys, makikita nyo talaga yung structure, yung trend line ng ating Australian dollars USD. So makikita nyo na yung trend line, it's uptrend. Okay? Now that we know that the uptrend, we have an uptrend, I find key levels. Ano yung key levels? Ayun, key levels na I recognize mga support and resistance ng market natin. So, what I do, I form a rectangle with an extended rectangle from body to wick. So, like here, makita nyo from body to wick. Okay? So, lahat from support, resistance, support, so lahat. So para ready na ang charts ko in case whatever happens to the market, kung bumagsak man yan or bumaba. So ready ako for the entire week kasi hindi ko kailangan everyday mag-support na resistance kasi naka-ready na. Okay? So now that we have the trend line na nagawa ko na, na-draw ko na yung support na resistance ko, I check what's happening in the latest market on the 1 hour time frame or 4 hours. Okay? So, mostly 1 hour ang ginagamit ko.
1 hour ang ginagamit.
Yes. 1 hour ang time frame. Yes.
By the way, guys, naka-Heiken Ashi siya, ha?
Yes, guys. Heiken Ashi ho. And what I do next, it's from here. Na-delete ko yung isang resistance. Ito, it's one other resistance. Okay, from the top. So,
this is Forex, medyo may pagka-stable yung market. No?
Yes. Yun ang gusto ko, lalo na pag nagpa-practice ako. So, ayun. Since na lumagpas ang market value, price value over my resistance, what I do, I always wait for the retest. What does it mean retest for me? Retest is the first bounce na tumatama sa resistance na ngayon ay support. Okay? So this is my first retest. Okay? So I have new support and new resistance. So what does it mean? Since lumagpas siya sa resistance ko and I'm still on a trend line, I'm into a buy. Okay? So what I need the more verifications before I start, okay? So for example, ito hindi pa nangyari from here to the right. So nangyari to, lumagpa siya sa resistance. I'm waiting the first retest. This I call retest, the first bounce sa resistance ko, okay? And next, para maging sure ako, I use my fib retracement. Fib retracement are key levels na is confirming me the different support and resistance na na-draw ko. So, I use that kung I know, I use it from bottom to top. If it's a trend line. If it's a uptrend, okay? If it's a downtrend, I use the Fibonacci level from top to bottom. Yes. Okay. So my main key levels, ito ang akin main. The 0.5, the 618, and the 0.7. Usually this level. So makikita nyo na tumatama sila sa mga levels, mga key levels in the past, in the history, like dito the 618 o tumama dito like the resistance before. Okay. So if I need more confirmation, since ito ang market natin, medyo mataas siya compare sa key levels ko na 0.5, 618, 7786, I add other Fibonacci retracement. Okay? So, I have different levels. Since from the bottom, kanina ginamit ko. So, I use another level. Can use it this one. This one, the lowest to highest. Okay, ayan. Nakita nyo may overlap dito. This is another sign for me that it can, in this area, something can happen. And what I'm expecting here, it's my retest. Okay, so this is the area that's important for me that I can use as a buy. Okay, but if I want to be sure, I can use another fib retracement, another level of fib. I can use it, same thing, from low. Yes, so I'm looking for madaming overlap like this. Ito and ito. So these are key levels para sa akin. So dapat pansinin natin kung anong pwede mangyari. Okay. So I put another one here to top. What happened here? It really confirmed my retest. Nakita nyo pa, guys? There's another line of fib retracement that this is another key level. So at this point, I form a new circle. Yeah. This is for me an entry for a buy. Okay, but if I want to be sure again, I use another indicators. I use the fib time zone. Fib time zone indicates me a movement from time to time. Okay, so what I use it from the lowest to the highest. So for me, this is the highest. Tapos i-check nyo yung whole number. Nakikita nyo yung 1, 0, 618, and 1, then 2. So I leave it there for me kasi during the whole numbers, may change direction yung market. Makikita nyo dito, ano nangyari dito? Bumaba yung market from the 1. So I'm expecting in the number 2, something can happen. Kung bumaba dito, pwede siya umangat or bumaba. Okay? So that's another indicators that I use. The other one, I can check the RSI. Okay? Makikita mo if it's over the 70, I put the lowest in 30 and highest to 70. Okay? So yes, I have key levels na I know if the market goes up or down. Okay? So I have regular bullish divergence. I know if it's a regular bearish divergence, if pababa, or there are hidden bearish divergence. Okay, so what does it mean? Yung regular bullish divergence is it's showing me a lower low. Okay, so lower low, you check the level if it's lower low, and then you check to the RSI if it's higher low. Okay, so this is lower low, then check on the RSI if it's higher low, higher and low. For me, this is wala siyang pinapakita ng ganun. Okay, so it's just an extra. So you can check if it's a bearish in another situation. If the price is higher high, the RSI you check if it's lower high. So from low to high. So dapat opposite yung price and the RSI. Okay.
Pag may divergence siya.
Yes, divergence talaga. So usually I check if it's a lower low or if it's a higher high, and dapat opposite siya on the RSI. If higher low dito, dapat lower low, higher high. Okay? That's another indicator that not all the time works. Okay? So you have to really check on, you put your trend line here, like this. Oh, nakikita nyo dito. It's opposite. Here, it's you have a higher high, okay? This part is higher than this part. Okay? Very minimal, pero it's a good sign. Okay? Nakikita nyo dito. Higher high and lower high. And those are the kind of divergence. Okay? Yes, that's how I usually do my trading every day. So everything is prepared in advance. And how I enter, I check my long, since this is my area. And always check the history, no, of the levels, of the support and resistance. So here, another level, key level. So if it madaming entries sa resistance ko, more than 3 times, for me, it's a good area. For example, here it's 1, 2, 3, and then check in the past, 4, 5, in support dito, 6, 7, and so on. So for me, this is another
Resistance.
area. Yes, in this area of resistance, it's madami pwede mangyari. Okay, based on the history, based on the background of the market. And but if I took my risk management higher, I go on the next level. Since I draw already, prepared na yung next level ko, na-draw ko na yung resistance ko. Ready na yun, no, next level ko. Instead of checking all the time, kung magda-draw ulit ako, I have to go back and check. So same thing on my stop loss, guys. On my stop loss, so we entered here. So I don't usually, hindi ko siya sinasagad sa next level. Nakikita nyo dito, this is a support, no? Hindi ko siya sinasagad kasi there's a chance na mag-close agad yung trade mo. Kasi minsan mag-bounce ng sobrang saglit pero tama naman yung take profit mo, di ba? So hindi ko siya sinasagad sa support. So usually I add a little of leeway para safe ako.
Yun.
Ayun. Yes. So as of now, tama pa din yung I entered 2 times. Kaninang umaga, nag-take partials na ako kasi happy na ako sa $20 ko. Pero may isa pa akong trade na it's ongoing. So, hindi pa siya bumababa sa entry level ko. So, I'm expecting that the market will touch my take profit one.
You know.
So, ayun. That's the Milano strategy.
Galing.
From the Italian. Medyo magulo, guys. I know sa umpisa, medyo pag chinek mo, medyo overwhelming. Madami nangyayari. Pero pag nasanay na yung mata mo, nasanay ka palagi mag-draw ng support and resistance, mga key levels mo, mas madali sa'yo. Kaya hindi ko na dinedelete yung mga key levels ko dito. Kasi alam ko na anong pwede mangyari. For example, nandito, it goes down, I do a path. For example, pumunta siya dito. Yes, bumaba siya sa support. Ditong resistant ko, it can bounce back here, can bounce back there. I have another key level na dito, ready na. So I know, I prepared na lahat. I can put my entry anytime since naka-ready na yung charts ko for my different key levels. And ginagamit ko pala, guys, MetaTrader 4. Mas madali sa akin with the phone. So I use lot size from 0.01, 0.1, or 1.0. So the lot size for the people na hindi pa nila alam, usually in 0.01 is 10 cents per pips. Okay?
Okay.
Tapos yung 0.1, it's $1 per pip.
Yun.
And the 1.0 is $10 per pips. Okay? So you have always to calculate your risk management before entering your trade kasi it's based on your amount of your wallet. For example, your wallet is $100. Your risk management, you're willing to lose 2% to 3%. So it's just $2 to $3. That's how you put your stop loss.
Galing.
Para hindi ka magugulat na, naubos na pala yung ko kasi I was aiming the bigger profit. Pero may chance na hindi sumusunod sa technical analysis mo at safe ka pa din. Yung risk management mo, hindi ka masasaktan emotionally.
Correct.
Hanggang $2 to $3 ka lang.
Baga okay lang siya na.
Yes.
Kasi may allotted ka lang 2% of your portfolio.
Yes. Ganon.
Galing ni Mark.
Yun
Grabe.
ang ginagamit ko. So, yes guys. So, sa mga tao na gusto nila malaman kung saan ako natuto ay nag-enroll ako sa IM Academy.
Yun.
And it's very cheap for me. I don't know, everyone has different perspective. It's
How much
$175 a month. Ang kasama ko doon, guys, I have educators. Pwede ko ipakita sa dito?
Oh, walang problema.
Okay. So, dito, I have different educators. Pakita ko sa inyo dito. I have Go Live. I have academies. So, in the first 2 weeks, ang ginawa ko, it's familiarize the terminology, no? What is Bitcoin, what is support and resistance, what is trend line. So in this platform, pinapakita niya lahat. This from basic, entry price, spreads, take profit, time frames. So in order na siya, guys. You're building your foundation step by step. Hindi ka magugulo. Yes. Kasi ako, last year nag-start ako November. Nag-start ako agad take profit, how to take profit. So, wala pa yung foundation ko. So, medyo naguguluhan ako in the next months kung paano mag-trade. Kaya, this is a good platform for me. So, beside of the theory, I have educators.
Yo.
So, I have educators from the States, all around the world. So, DCX ang package ko. It's Digital Currencies Exchange. So, guys, if you check them on Instagram, though these people are traders for the past 6 years, 10 years, and they are very young, guys. They are 25 years old, 23. This guys is earning 6 digits already in dollars.
Grabe.
And 4 years pa lang siya sa trading. And here I started my trading ideas kung paano mag-trading. So this guy, Nick Gomez, has a bootcamp kung paano mag-trade. So from day 1, what is Bitcoin? Candles, day 2, day 3, support and resistance. So, it's building you step by step kung paano mag-trade. Dito ako natuto mag-trading. So, confluence, risk management, and live trading. So, usually, anytime, pwede mo siya balikan. And kung medyo naguguluhan ka. Yes, $175 a month, guys. Dollars. $175 a month. Tapos, included din ang mentorship. So, I have 4 mentors, 3 from Miami and 1 from Seattle, and I have a 24/7 assistance from them. We have group trading for the Philippine group and Australian groups. So mamayang 7 p.m. may training kami with Lian and NFT. We have 4 group meetings a week, and yun, ganun kami na nagbi-build. Parang estudyante talaga all around the world. Mga Pinoy from Dubai, mga Pinoy from the States. So sama-sama kami.
Galing.
And ayun, that's what I've been doing for the past 3 months.
Ayan. Guys, I know marami kayong natutunan kay Mark ngayon. And Mark, thank you so much sa pag-share mo ng knowledge mo.
Yes, brother. Appreciate it. Medyo nagulat nga ako, no. Sobrang super coachable. Humble ka pa din and coachable. I mean, you'd never stop learning. Kaya sobra kitang na-appreciate, Marvin. Very inspiring. And sana mga viewers natin, guys, don't stop learning. Ganun dapat na mentality. Learn from one another.
Correct. Walang alam nyo na lahat. Maraming bagong tututunan.
Yes.
So, kahit expert ka na, natututo ka pa din sa mga taong nagsisimula pa lang kasi meron silang mga nasi-share or techniques na hindi mo alam na sila nakadiscover nun sa journey nila. So, kailangan magaling ka talaga na matuto sa ibang tao. Yun ang pinaka...
Yes. Tama ka dyan, brother Marvin.
Mark, thank you so much sa time mo. And appreciate
yes.
namin yung pag-share mo, lahat na nakasubscribe sa akin. Guys, andyan si Mark Rivera. Follow nyo on IG. Meron ka ba gusto i-promote, bro? Mga movies mo or upcoming ano?
Yes guys, palabas na yung, I think next month lalabas yung bagong movie ko on Netflix. It's Without You. Kasama
Netflix, bro.
Yes, on Netflix. Kasama si David Licauco, si Shaira Diaz, and Cassie Banks.
Ayan. And si Marvin Favis next time, guys. Kasama na.
Yes, a music video guys. Guys, abangan nyo yung music video. Sobrang excited ako. Super nag-enjoy kami.
O ayun, maraming salamat ulit, Mark. Guys, ang galing. Palakpakan naman natin si Mark. Thank you so much, Mark. God bless.
Thank you, brother. See you.